Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll demonstrate an easy method to listen to music on YouTube even when your screen is turned off. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. Firstly, open the YouTube app and search for your desired music, such as study music. Once you have selected the video, you can start listening to it, but if you exit the app or turn off your screen, the playback will stop. To overcome this limitation, we will need to switch to a web browser. Launch your web browser and navigate directly to youtube.com. Here, you can search for the same study music video, for example. After the initial ad, you can begin playing the music. Now, here's the trick to keep the music playing even when your screen is off. As the music starts playing, quickly skip the ad. Swipe down from the top to access your notification and quickly return to the browser. Hit the play button next to the music title and it will resume playing. Remember, it's important to use a web browser and following this step to achieve this functionality. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section and I will be happy to assist you. Stay tuned for more helpful tips.